Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Shabana Khan here from my kitchen table, presenting to all my global family another great news. I am super excited to announce that from today, this channel is introducing a new segment. This segment is Voice of Pakistani Diaspora. We will be covering a lot of ground with respect to all information or advice or opportunities which we can share with you. This will be our ongoing education information and enabling videos like scenario. But as British Pakistani, I must say, when I say Pakistani High Commission, many of you will remember, um, you will have a memory. I won't say a great memory, but I would say you will have a memory because we all have been to Pakistani High Commissions. And this is super excited for me. Actually, this whole thing which we are creating now enabled us to put this work together, which is focused on how we can help our own overseas Pakistanis in respect to providing information which can help there in regardless which country they are based. Now, the great thing which Pakistani government is introducing is finally embracing technology and advancement, and they will lead us obviously to make life a little bit more better than saving time. So we are embracing change, and to save time and this to make things happen efficiently, there is e-renewal, NICOP and passport online system available with the or with Pakistani High Commission. You do not need to go to Pakistani High Commission anymore, and you can do it just online. And how do we do that? Let's see. Yes, there we go. On the website, when I was visiting it, I saw this notice which says attention that nobody like these are. Let me just bring my screen. These are the websites which are online. God, onlinemrp.dgip.gov.uk. Apart from that, there are no other websites you're going to find this information from, and these are also available in Urdu. As part of this video segment, towards the end, I will be representing this video, this information in Urdu, but for now, let's just focus what we are talking about here. So this is an online application. You can make your payment by credit card and they will deliver this to you at home. What more we want, people? Like we are getting things done. So this information, if you go to the this website, it says id.nadra.gov.uk. So if you see in here, you have to make this online application like any other website where you need information. You have to apply and create an account for yourself. And moving on, what it can provide is great. You can get your NICOP, and as an overseas Pakistani, you can get it without going to collecting it from there. Oh my God. And also you can get renew your origin card. We can get certificates like family registration and cancellation certificate. I never used one. I don't know what it means, but the services which are available for online are verification services, prioritize application as standard, but we can do it, and above all, you can launch a complaint. How amazing. Processing facility, general guidance. So basically all these are some clips from their website, so feel free to explore and find your information. Lovely. It's important for me over here to just mention a little bit things which is connected to it, that especially those who are based in Pakistan, because they can use the services as well, but they can only use it for their national identity card. And to do that, they have to use this payment method, which is available in Pakistan. So if I have, because I have a lot many audience of mine from Pakistan, so basically, here you go. Great information nugget for you, that you can renew your card online by using e-Sahulat wallet. And here yet again I will explain that this renewal possibility of a passport and NICOP is available to overseas Pakistanis, and they can do it by credit card and debit card. And for Pakistan, people who are in Pakistan, they can only renew their national identity card, and they can make the payment through e-Sahulat wallet, because in Pakistan debit and credit card will be a problem, I think. All right, and here we go, nearly 8.5 million and growing. I think there are more, but it's still going great. Not bad, not bad. And Voice of Pakistani Diaspora, thank you. Before I end this video, there are a few things which I want to say. Like, it's such a great news that we all can have these things done over the web. And now coming from, I think there is a downside to it. You know what? I love that, in Pakistan, London High Commission marquee, they were used to serve lovely biryani and hot tea and zarda. Unbelievable. But I have to, find out how I can do that. I've been to Pakistan High Commission many times. I think I need to really join some groups who do their, events there, so that I can continue to entertain myself with great food. But having said that, having served the community in UK for over a decade now, I understand the limitation of language. I understand the limitation how our people, especially the most of Pakistanis who are workers here, so they are those who are not very technologically engaging in terms of these things. So therefore, at the end of this video, like towards the end of this video, where I am today, is I'm going to run another Urdu session. It will be probably one of its kind bilingual video, so that those who would like to get this information, it's very important for them to have all information available in the language of their comfortability, and they can understand. So from all my English speaking and understanding audience, I will take a bye-bye, and I will tell you, please join this channel, because why you need to join is because all the information and research work is done keeping in focus that it has to be informative. It has to bring convenience or some information which is important for you. So it's all focused on you. It's all focused on you. So we are together. We are the change at IFA. So Voice of Pakistani Diaspora, I'll bring up all the things. Like, I have been voicing it for many years. The people who know me, they know that I have been voicing for Pakistani diasporas, like, won't go into detail. It will take a lot of time here, but yes, I'm very passionate to support our communities over the borders in Pakistan and over here, because that's who I am. I love to do what I do. So it's important for us that you join, subscribe, and like for the YouTube algorithm, because if you like these videos, this message can move on to many. So I'll take a bye-bye. Thank you very much. I look forward to meeting you into our future Pakistani diaspora video. So I will switch to my first slide. Okay, thank you, bye-bye, and now we restart the whole process. जी बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं जी इस वीडियो के थ्रू आप लोगों को एक बात बताना चाहती हूँ, एंड वो बात ये है कि हुकूमत पाकिस्तान ने हम जो अपने शनाख्ती कार्ड और wait a minute, I can't do it in this way. I think I have to redo it. I tried. Anyway, I have to stop it now, and please ignore all my mistakes. I'm just trying my level best to learn this thing. Bye for the English audience, and I'll try and redo the whole of Urdu series of this thing. I think probably that's the best way to do it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.